When drawing complex structures and flowcharts, the copy tool can greatly improve our drawing efficiency. Today, let's learn about the specific use of the copy tool. The copy tool is in the upper part of the drawing board, which helps us duplicate elements including structure, text, flowcharts, and more, and it needs to be used together with the selection tool. First, use the marquee tool to select the part you want when using this tool. After selecting and clicking Copy tool, copy is succeeded. Click anywhere on the drawing board to paste. Let's view some of the tips for using the Copy tool. Support multiple pastes. After the copy is completed, you can repeat the paste by clicking the drawing board multiple times. Support cross-file copying app. After copying, you can paste it in other files in the KingDraw app. Support for cross-software replication of text. After copying the text in the structure file, you can enter other software to paste.